buddy.
And this is my second. Dad, this has a Pinocchio nose. Dad, look.
Watch what you're doing.
Pinocchio nose. Hello, Pinocchio. It's probably kind of what the man that made Pinocchio is probably kind of what.
Is that wood just hard to burn, honey? Or
No, it's because it ain't split up or nothing. And
it's seasoned good, huh?
this is still pretty green wood.
Oh.
You
Oh,
can look at what he's cutting. I mean,
Oh,
it's not-
look at that. I'll tell you what, he is.
Dad, look.
Watch your
Dad.
hands.
Dad.
Good boy. He split it right.
Dad,
look
look.
at that, Dad.
Daddy.
big guy.
Dad. Dad.
Pull it apart.
Dad, look.
Pull it hard.
Yay!
Let's put it in the car, right?
Yes, sir.
That is
My turn?
awesome. Yeah.
In my turn?
Yeah.
Put it in the fire.
No, Brett was hollering. There hasn't been a vehicle stop.